I'm feeling very happy, excited and nervous at the same time because IISc Bangalore is a dream premier institute of our country, and I never really thought that I'd ever get a chance to study there. So getting a scope to work with teachers and professors there, I think I'll be very delighted for that. I prepared methodically. I used IIA's class notes as well as the guidance from teachers from IIA was very commendable. Apart from that, I solved various previous year questions. I would just like to say that prepare for your best, prepare at your own level in a systematic and methodical way. Try to go for some analytical problem solving because GATE questions you more analytical based. Apart from that, I wish everyone all the very best for your future. I hope that you get very good score for your GATE results also.